This is just a quick update video to let you guys know that I'm still around, and also an opportunity to announce the winner of my 200 subscriber giveaway, and also welcome all the new subscribers that have recently joined the channel. I was struggling for ideas for a 200 subscriber giveaway, and was looking like I wasn't going to get around to doing it. I then noticed that Ryan was offering to purchase some Hardy tools off a local blacksmith. I just liked his attitude, so I offered to supply him with a Hardy butcher cut-off tool. So congratulations on that, Ryan, and I hope you get some great use out of that. I haven't completed too many projects over the last few weeks, and what I have completed, I haven't filmed the entire process. So I just thought I'd include some random footage of some of the stuff I have been doing. I've started working on more roses lately, as I want to get more proficient at these. I also need a smaller set of bolt tongs for small 10mm stock and such. And I've also started just working on a rebar knife, as I will be making some more knives in the future, so this one will just be a practice. It's been interesting experimenting with the new anvil, especially since this one's got a horn, so that's been a great little learning curve for me. I've been struggling to hold on to some of the smaller round stock, 10mm and such, so I started forging these tongs probably over a year ago. So I decided to finish these off, and they're actually almost complete. So I'm just drawing out the range a little bit more here, and you can see in a minute it just shows where I put some offsets in there as well. Now I did drill the holes on these ones, but I will drift those out a little bit just so I can keep some of the meat on those boss areas. And here I'm just starting to put a little bit of texture in on the stem that's going to go onto this rose. And as you can see, like I was saying before, I had quite a lot of trouble holding to that smaller stock. Now we're jumping across to a rebar knife that I'm starting to make. It's probably becoming apparent now, guys, that I'm really jumping from one project to the next. And that's because this is what an actual day of forging looks like for me. So this was the sequence that I was actually doing. So I would have several projects in the forge at once, and as I pull them out and work on the next one and put them back in. So anyway, I thought that would be interesting for you guys to actually see what it actually looks like when I'm working. And I might do some more this type of stuff, and maybe focus on just showing one finished sort of project at the end of each video. But give me some feedback in the comments if you like the idea of that. And again, back onto that rebar knife. Anyway, that's about enough talking from me for the moment, so we'll chuck some music on here and we'll catch up with you at the end. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.